We are so delighted to have you with us this evening, in spite of your busy schedules. Elusive Nightlife, Funky Hits, and Bay 15 are organizing the Leap of Joy, San Juan, the Feast of St. John the Baptist, at Bay 15, Rothschild, Bamboli, Goa, on 24th June 2019 from 3 p.m. onwards. As you all know, this feast is celebrated in great pomp, and this traditional local festivity has become so popular that we want to take it to the global level so that more and more visitors from within the country and abroad come, attend, participate, and enjoy this local celebration, and see our youngsters wearing a kopel, that's a crown, perform daredevil feats by plunging into the rivulets, lakes, ponds, and nowadays in swimming pools, shouting with joy, Viva San Juan, long live St. John. As you know, these feasts, jatras, festivals, and events are celebrated all year round, thus making Goa a 365 holiday destination. So any season is the right reason to come to Goa. So traditionally, this is done to commemorate the leap of joy that St. John is said to have given in the womb of his mother Elizabeth when Virgin Mary visited and greeted her. And to sparkle the evening, we bring you globally acclaimed artist of Indian origin, Gully Boys Shah Rule, who will enthrall the guests with electric mix of hard-hitting hip-hop and electronic drums combined with sample and sounds acquired through his travels and life journeys. We also have DJ Spin Doctor, established himself as premier DJ spinning music, who will have you flood the dance floor with electronic dance music, including remix of club and hip-hop favorites. And to add the Goan flavor, we bring you the much-loved musical wizards, True Blue, who will set the guests' heart ablaze with their repertoire, which includes rock, pop, jazz, traditional, Bollywood, and other types of music. And keeping up with the tradition, those wearing the kopels, that's the crowns, will be allowed to enter free of charge. Competitions and various local games of the years will also be organized.